In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto scanning time in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu and I'm scanning through the options until I spot switch control. When I see it, I tap on switch control and that takes me into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the switch control screen, I'm looking for the option labeled auto scanning time. Once I find it, I tap on auto scanning time, and this brings me into the section where I can adjust the timing. At this point, I can set the auto scanning time to whatever I prefer. I adjust the setting right here until it feels right for me, and the change applies immediately as I make the adjustment. There's nothing extra I need to confirm or save once I've set it. Once that's done, I pause for a moment just to make sure everything looks the way I want before moving on. I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready, since everything updates automatically. Now I'm backing out step by step, heading back through the menus, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Switch Control, tap Auto Scanning Time, and adjust it again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to set auto scanning time on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to come back and tweak whenever you need.